You gotta sell that. Someone else may want it. Shannon, please step forward.
You have absolutely kicked it out of the park this week, honey. I'm so proud of you.
Taylor, step forward. Hi. You look amazing. You love me? I really like it. I don't know what I was expecting, but
you look like just a model. That's a great photo.
Smoking.
Thank you. It's brilliant. And yeah, I think that's probably my favourite pick of the day.
Ashley, please step forward. So you've had a pretty full-on week, right?
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
I'm pretty good today. I had a bit of pain this morning, but I'm alright now, so...
Well, let's have a look at your photo.
I think this is great.
Do you?
Just the dislocated hand.
Yeah.
What's going on with that?
I have no idea.
I think this shot, besides the awkward hair, is beautiful. I'm just really proud that you even showed us this shoot.
Madeline.
What do you think of this picture?
I know, I thought maybe I would have done better.
To me, it's successful in certain ways, but not successful in others.
That's how I want it to go. Because I know it's there, honey. I know it's there, but we've just got to really push it harder.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This does not get any easier.
And can I tell you, we have such good girls all delivering great pictures. It's really tough.
Taylor from Western Australia, this blew me away.
She gave everything. It was just sexy, it was sporty, it fulfilled the brief. She was done.
Abby.
This is a fashion image that is inspired by sport.
I agree, I like it.
She was in there, she focused, she did it, she delivered. I think it's one of the top pictures.
To April.
Look, I really like April. I'm just scared if we're going to see any versatility from her.
This girl has given us this look throughout the whole competition every single week.
Beautiful though.
Yeah, she's beautiful, but she's going to be doing every single week.
Wow, okay, next one.
So she had appendicitis, she had surgery, she was in the hospital. She turned up and done actually a more beautiful photo than a lot of the other girls. She's always been a fighter. I really like her.
She's so beautiful. I love her. Like, she's amazing.
I think she looks beautiful and she's a great shot. So I think we can just take it down a few things because I think it's amazing. That is.
You've got it.
Yeah.
You do not see women like that often, right? Okay, and then there's a goddess that walks down the street that's beautiful, and then someone that doesn't translate into modeling, and that's what we were scared of. But that beautiful girl started to translate, so I'd like to get her at least another week.
There's no point in her looking gorgeous in real life and then not translating to film because there's no career there.
Taylor from South Australia.
I don't think she's photogenic and it's pushing shit up north.
As soon as I got her in that boxing scenario, I did see the fire in her belly, and I was looking at the monitor, and I could see a really beautiful girl. It is waiting to happen.
How long are you prepared